bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my neck, it costs her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color rate. Bitches like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out, you bitch you counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth, they been trying it. If it's deep, then let me know, baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie, bitch. Pits like your pussy, we all know that cat is giving fits. When I send that eggplant, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me, better be ready to die. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk. That shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know.
I been missing out the walk with the men. I been building up the blocks like a man. Elliot got water dripping out the ceiling. Oh my God, boy he got a Glock. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, all let go, put her on roll, put that whole payroll, put that whole on go. Yeah she like to go, yeah she love to blow. Get that dick slow, like a snow cone. Yo, get that bag, show 'em how to ball. I'm in the mall, yeah I'm sitting tall. Look like yeah I mean, all these hoes know, all these hoes know. Cardi got the roll, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute. I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute. I'm gonna tell you, Cardi being pimpin', Cardi being kick the shit in. Yo, give me a minute, yeah I need a minute. Cardi walkin', Cardi making hit. We gon' need some linen, we gon' need my jelly. Make sure you ain't no linen, make sure I got linen. Money got the ceiling, got me looking in. What we be getting in, understanding. What I be at sex, bitches ain't no dealers. I be at sex, bitches ain't no messes. Fucking on your baby, I'm a greater baby. What 21, sitting on 2 mil. Yeah I got a deal, might sign another deal. Get my partner deal. If I go to jail, money for the bill. Money on the scale. Give me a minute, yeah I need a minute. I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute. I'm gonna tell you, Cardi being pimpin'. Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping gold like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride that new rose at that Bentley beat. We gon' got some Chanel at the double C. And I bought her a bag, got her loving me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on a jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the boy with no evidence. I pay my dues with like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it go like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got this stick with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they one-on-one. I treat these hoes like they one-on-one. I smoke your dog and you 0-1. I smell like Dover and I overcome. I made a play at the tongue, and I had double go with some bubble gum. I got a chain and some another sun, and I jab all enough from my other one. Shout eating crazy, we way in London. Back a hat tank to y'all like a Farrakhan. Now that my hoes on a mirror gun, I was there running streets and some marathon. Bitch like pen me build. Take 8 pit and kill. My dope turn to dope. Throw away all of my jokes. Spittle, been to the cup, never little. I done ran them M's on the little. Everything she want, gotta get her. Riding with a bitch in my color. About to dress a bitch up and then cut her. About to feature my pistol with a diamond. About to pull up on you, hold my brothers.
I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. Ain't been no back and forth ever since. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it. Bitch, I'm hood as fuck. I've been on these bitches' neck so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sip. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I fight for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachment. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch about that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it so me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex looking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand me down. Thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit up, I don't smoke no two shots. Flying with my gang and them, look at them like sisters. Bitches be lame, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of that. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut that body off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type of nigga make her mad, she going too soon. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type of beast on. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can't get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Did your mom even know your father's name? She was like, I think my mom, you lying.
Oh, wow, he did that. Oh, thank you. It's so sweet.
You're so welcome, my dear. I'm gonna take a video real quick and then I'm gonna show you so you can see the back because that braid long. So just get ready. It is long, girl.
Okay, and I love it.
Me too. I love it.